on, folks? Tarek here with Roll Off Truck World, your one-stop waste shop. Today we're going to be talking about Hydrovac trailers. We got several Hydrovac trailers always in stock for the most part all year long. We're going to do a little small walk around of these two units that we have. We got two 2022 Infinity trailers. We got an 800 gallon on the left side over there and a 500 gallon over here. Both of these units are 2022 year models, but they're ex-demo units. That means they were never put to work. They're demo units. That one on the left with the 800 gallon has 6.5 engine hours. That's right, and it's been started only 38 times. I know that because we plugged in the computer. This one here has 4.5 total engine hours, and it's been started 33 times. So these units are demo units. They've never carried nothing. Give you a little walk around over here. They tilt and dump. They're powered by the NVE B500 blowers on them. Diesel, Yanmar diesel engines, full hydraulic liftgate. They tilt, they dump. They got water poly tanks on both sides. Ball hitch. Give us a call if you're looking for something like this, 281-864-0891, or visit our website, www.rolofftruckworld.com.